Hi everyone. Today we'll just do a quick unboxing of our new Epson WorkForce ET-4750 printer. So it comes in this box. Do a quick spin. So this particular printer was a really good deal right now at Best Buy. If you recycle your old printer, you can get $100 off of this printer. And then you can get certain amounts off of other Epson printers, so you might want to check it out. So let's see what's inside. So of course we have instructions. Got the power cord. Side here you have all the ink. So this is one of those tank printers. Comes with 2 years worth of ink. We'll just put it down like that. Okay, let's take a look at the printer. So it's got all the tape on it to help keep it closed in transport. This is what it looks like. Under here you have a touch screen. This is where you fill the ink. You can see it, which is really nice. You can see it from the front. Let's see, what else about this printer? So there we go. So this printer you can fax. It has a 30-page ADF, which is really nice if you need to do a lot of copies at once. It has a 250 sheet capacity and 2-sided print. The touchscreen, like I said, and it's wireless, which is awesome. You can just directly print something from your phone. And yeah, the ink is what sold us. It's supposed to save money. We shall see over time. So next video, I will show you how to fill the ink and set up the Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching.